Wait a second. That's a TIE fighter, right? I can see one of them now.
Today I'm playing as a TIE fighter pilot. What's a TIE fighter pilot without a TIE fighter? I bet you're wondering. Well, that's why today I built Minecraft's first TIE fighter. I put trapdoors in the top so I could get inside. Ooh. And I put the wings, I put the lines in the wings with cobblestone and the black bits with netherite blocks. Green lasers with emeralds and the cobblestone, and to get in I put some trapdoors there and I put black glass so I could see through it and it looks like a TIE fighter. Okay, I'm inside.
I have you now.
It's amazing. I can see everything. I can see iron golems, creepers, Mommy's name tag. So here's how I did it. I have found a place to make my TIE fighter. First, you do this. I got it to float because I did this. There's one floating block in the sky, as you can see. And now I'm going to build some cobblestone around it, like this. Some more platforms there for the walls. We're going to put some walls there. Starting with the middle, and then, you know what, I think I might make this a bit bigger. So I'm going to add some more cobblestone blocks. There we go. And now we will go and get some trapdoors. By the way, this doesn't have to be the trapdoors I'm using. It can be anything, even if yours doesn't have trapdoors. And we can use some black glass. And now we are going to make the wings. Get some cobblestone, stretch it out like this, then make one big line right here, make 3 big lines. Now we are going to do another one here, and we are going to get some netherite blocks. Oh, and I'm doing this in creative mode, by the way, so try to do this in creative mode if you want to make your own TIE fighter or anything else, because then you won't be able to get the blocks. But if you already have the blocks, sure, but if you don't have enough, I suggest you go to creative mode. And we are making this TIE fighter. I want this TIE fighter to be perfect. green laser do emerald blocks, and I'm going to get my emerald blocks and break that cobblestone, place my emerald blocks here. Do the same for this one on the other side. You can also make additions, add some red carpet. Look very imperial, and you can even hop inside and look at the sun. Why don't you build your own ship from Star Wars and let me know in the comments what you build. It doesn't matter how you build it, it'll be perfect. Tell me in the comments what you have built. How much you know.